tractor control came on there. Gave it a little bit too much. The seat height's good. It's not too tall. So I'm on the Triumph Tiger 900. I put the heated seats and the handlebars on. First time I did not do that. I can already feel it in my bum. And I put it in sport mode. I'm doing really slow speed maneuvers. I'm going like 2 miles an hour, and I'm having an easy time going. I like this Tiger a lot. It's definitely my favorite. Except for the gear pedal. The gear pedal, it's just so annoying. I really like the seat warmer and the hand warmers. It helps a lot. And even the hand guards for the knuckles. I gotta find the gear. I'm really low on my gears, and it cruises at a high rate of speed. Thing sounds sick, dude. I'm having a hard time seeing. I'm having a hard time seeing feeling where the gear pedal is. It's quite small. I'm gonna have a hard time knowing if I'm hitting it or not. You can't really feel if you're actually hitting it or not. So I'm having a hard time actually feeling it. See, I downshifted right there and I didn't even feel it. This thing's got some power though, that's for sure. For sure, some power. That's fun. It feels really maneuverable though. I mean, it feels really good underneath me. I can't get over that gear shift though, man. It's in a weird spot. But like I was saying, it does feel good underneath me. It feels very maneuverable and nimble, even though it is sort of a bigger bike. All right, there's 6 gears. I was just checking. Man, I downshifted and it's really smooth. It's good because it's smooth, but because of that, I don't know if I'm actually shifting or not. It's hard to tell. But I mean, I do like this thing. The seat's comfortable, very comfortable. I mean, soft. I'm in a pretty comfortable riding position. My knees are pretty bent though. But I mean, it's a bike I would not mind having per se. It would just have to, the gear shift pedal would have to be something I'd get used to. Yeah, this thing it's got power that I don't have on my Vitpillin 401, so it's pretty nice. And we're even, riding on the rain. It's a little slick out here, and I actually kind of felt a little slippiness back there, but yeah, I could get used to this thing. It's so comfortable, and long trips would be really, really sweet on this thing. That guy must be listening to music. That's funny. Ooh, tractor control came on there. Gave it a little bit too much. Well, thank God for traction control, because I would have lost it right there. Yeah, I gave it a little too much in the rain. Not a smart idea. Yeah, at least I know it's got some power, so it's something that I wouldn't mind having, because it's got the power, even though it's not a 1200. It's something I would be comfortable with, and I don't have to deal with, how big the motorcycle is. Yeah, that windshield actually does a lot. Standing up, I can really feel the wind. Yeah, it creates like a wind tunnel, because it's going right over me, the wind. The wind buffets around me, and I'm in like a little wind tunnel cocoon or something. Man, yeah, so compared to my Vitpillin, I have to really mash the gears into place. This one, I mean, I feel like I didn't even tap it down, and it went into gear. So, I mean, that's a good thing, I guess. It's just different for me. See how easy it is to get in gear or in neutral. Oh, super easy. Holy cow. Yeah, the Vip Pillin is very hard to get into neutral. Yeah, I like this thing, man. It's nice. Something I would definitely consider buying. Maybe not the new one, but you know, a used old one, I wouldn't mind. The clutch lever engaging further out isn't super hard to get used to. I mean, after a few, you know, gear changes, I know where it's at. But blipping the throttle to switch gears, or downshift rather, downshifting, I don't know, I feel like I'm revving it too much. Maybe I'm just thinking I am, but I'm not. But it just feels like it revs too easily. But maybe it's because I have such a small engine on my Vip Pillin. But overall, I like it. It's a nice bike.